Hello and welcome to our Forever Business presentation. My name is Katrin Bajri, and I will guide you through our business presentation today. Change your thinking and that will change your life. Who are we internationally? We are a 40-year-old privately owned company founded in the USA. With assets of over 1.5 billion US dollars, cash rich and debt free. The turnover is a multi-billion turnover, and the company is operating in over 169 countries meanwhile, in the health and wellness sector and a multi-trillion-dollar global market. This company, founded by Rex Monk, who is still the CEO of this company, and his son Greg is now the president of this company, was built on ethical practices. Examples for income potential are not guaranteed, but are realistic illustrations of what can be achieved with hard work. What is the global success of Forever? It's a combined power of a network of home-based business owners, and the products get supplied and delivered directly from Forever to the consumer. And of course, we can also show the potential of the business opportunity, so both sides are the pillars of our success. There are certain benefits of team marketing, and team marketing is the branch where we are working in. Some people also call this network marketing, but when I say team marketing, we better understand that is, we are working in a team and market products through our teams. We have uncapped and valuable income streams, and you decide your goals, and that means you decide how big your income is going to get. So the system helps you to achieve whatever your goal is. Part and full-time, so people can fit this part of full-time income around their personal or professional commitments, and meanwhile you have from the very beginning and always through your upline and through the company full training and support using a simple proven global business building cycle. It's a personal recommendation business, so that means you just talk about and recommend the products which you tried before, and it's a very honest way to retail them through your personal experience. So also the business opportunity is a personal recommendation, and so both ways of retailing products and building up business team partners, we will use the personal recommendation as a way of marketing. We can work online from anywhere and at any time, and we have an online training program. We are coaching that how you can make a profit on social media, and you can do it around your existing commitments. Additional benefits of team marketing are in our marketing plan, in our Forever marketing plan, that there are outstanding incentives like the chairman's bonus, where you can get a share of the company profit at the end of the year if you are qualified as a chairman bonus manager. We have the possibility to get 400, 600 or 800 euros per month out of the Forever to Drive car plan. And we can qualify for 2 big luxury trips a year, Eagle Manager Retreat and Global Rally, where you can take a second person, and it's always in 5-star luxury hotels, between 3 to 4 days for the Eagle Manager Retreat and 6 to 9 days for the Forever Global Rally. Depends on your level of qualification. Recognition, rewards, and a lot of fun. So what do we do? At first, we use the products, and we are using them so we can talk about our personal experience to others and then share the products, retail the products, talk about the products with people we know or through online marketing, and speak about the benefits which we experienced while we've been using the products. With this, we develop 20 to 30 regular customers, so we create our customer base at first. And then we build a team, we talk to people about the opportunity, and find always the next 5 key people, help them to develop through the positions in the marketing plan. And while we do that, we work with a simple business building cycle. And number 4 is you coach your team. You coach to develop 20 to 30 customers and finding their 5 key people. So you do it at first in point 1, 2, and 3, and point number 4, you coach that things to your team. We call this duplication. We follow the simple cycle of, at first, what is your why? What is your personal why? Why you want to earn some extra money or maybe building up a career? Everything is possible for minimum, medium, or maximum income. Depends from, of course, the time you put into this business and the consistency, and of course, how and hopefully always you use our training and support system. So your why is the reason why you contact people, then you show them the business, then you invite them to a business presentation. After they decided to join, you do a planning meeting and you do the business plan together with them, and you together plan your actions. So you help your new recruit to go through the marketing plan until this position he wants to be and what it is regarding his goals. So that could be education, self-development, financial freedom, a new car, pension, a different lifestyle, money for your dream traveling, and so on and so on. Maybe school fees for private education for your children. There are many, many whys, and they vary, of course. Different people have different whys. And it's always the same business cycle we go through with our new team members. Working with the next 5 key people means you teach everyone you work with to use the product, to develop 20 to 30 customers, find always the next 5 key people, and coach to duplicate. Let's look at this example. A forever business owner works like very part-time, 10 hours per week, and he has different people in his team. One could be someone who just works 5 hours. I call him a product promoter. Another group is, they work 10 hours a week, so they are so-called business leaders. They're building up small groups. Then we have business leaders who maybe can put in 20 hours per week, and of course this group is bigger. And we have business leaders. They show others to do the same. They duplicate themselves with at least 30 hours per week or more. And then we have people who want to do a career. I call them business developer, and they put in at least 50 hours per week to make a new career through our forever marketing plan. This additional would lead to 125 hours worked in your business, even you put in just 10 hours by week. How could you now start your journey? If you want to earn between 200 to 400 euro monthly, it's enough that you try the product first, then you make your experience, and you become a product promoter, so you retail some products. If you want to earn between 600 to 2,000 euro a month, you can become a business leader, and there you have already a small group of team members. They're doing the same. They become product promoters. But if you want to start a new career, and you want to earn between 2,000 to 20,000 plus a month, then you become a business developer. That means you develop leaders and big and large groups of people under them, so you duplicate yourself as a business developer in your leaders. Building a successful business is based on our forever global currency, which is called case credits. One case credit is worth approximately 200 euros wholesale and 285 euros retail. So in profit, that could be 85 euro to 115 euro profit on one case credit. Our goal should be to have 4 active case credits a month. But how do we do that? We use the products, we promote the products, and we recruit people to join our team to build up their own small, medium, or large businesses under our ID number. And so your team is growing, is getting bigger and bigger from year to year. So use the products, promote the products, and recruit. These 3 parts are part of the 4 case credits to be active, to be able to be called an active FBO and get team bonus payment every single month. One part of this business is supplying products to customers. Where can we meet our customers? That could be people at the gym, for example, for our sport products, or people at work. Maybe they need products for more energy. Maybe people at the school gate who care about the health of the children and are maybe interested in products for children. Or in general people you care about, and we have a huge range of products which fit to each and everyone, but it's important you try them before, so you talk about your experience with those products. How do we get paid? An assistant supervisor, after reaching 2 case credits in 2 consecutive months, he promotes the product, and of course he also recruits. He's on 35%, and his profit would be 200 to 400 euro per month. In 2 consecutive months, if I build 3 to 5 team members in 2 consecutive months, then I will be a supervisor, and my profit will be 300 to 500 euro by month. As an assistant manager, I have to build up 10 to 15 team members at least. In 2 consecutive months, I will create 75 case credits through promoting the product and recruit people. So my profit would be 600 to 800 euro by month. A manager income varies between 800 euro a month to 2,000 euro a month, and you can become a manager between 120 case credits over 2 consecutive months or 150 case credits over 3 to 4 consecutive months, regarding the new additional rule since 2018. So typically you have 15 to 25 team members, and each of them is doing a little bit, but the amount will lead you to these case credits you need to become a manager. You will be then on 48%, and that could look like in this scheme here, your assistant managers are on 43%, you are on 48%, so you will get 5% team bonus. Or you have supervisors in your team, you're on 48%, they are on 38%, so you get the difference of 10% on all your supervisor businesses. Or you have assistant supervisors in your team, they are on 35%, you on 48%, so you will get paid 13% override bonus on your assistant supervisors. And that leads you to the income of 800 to 2,000 euros by month as a manager. Becoming a manager and then developing managers in your first, second, and third generation, that we call a royalty-style income. Let's say Sarah, she's your first generation, doing an average turnover of a new manager. You will have 6% on the whole group of Sarah, and that leads to 900 euro from that team of Sarah. Sarah also helps them to become a manager, which will be your second generation, and with 3% you would get 450 euro. And the third generation, Joe, Sam is his sponsor, you would still get as an upline 2% on the whole turnover of Joe's third generation business, which leads to 300 euro. So a total of 900, 450 and 300 euro leads to 1,650 royalty-style income. So a royalty-style income of 1,650 euros plus your manager income from your non-manager groups would lead to 2,450 euro to 3,650 euro per month. Just imagine you would have 5 lines of managers, 3 generations deep. That would be your income 5 times more, as you can see it here just from one line. But as we have a global business, we can also build up a global royalty-style income. Let's say you have contacts and built up this business with managers as a result in Europe, in Asia, in Africa, in South America, in North America. Your first generation there, you have 5 key people, 5 first-line managers, and you get 900 euros by month on your 5 international first-line managers. Then your global income is possible in more than 169 countries now. You choose from which part of the world you want to generate income, wherever you or your team knows people. So we call it a global royalty-style income. How do we get paid? A senior manager has a personally sponsored 2-manager first-line business, and he gets 30,000 euro per anno. That means 30,000 euros per year on these 2 manager lines and his non-manager business. A soaring manager has 5 personally sponsored managers, and so his income per year is 60,000 euros and above. A Sapphire manager has 9 personally sponsored managers, and so his income per year would be 120,000 euros as a Sapphire manager. A Diamond Sapphire manager has 17 frontline managers, and as he gets an additional 2% gem bonus, his yearly income is 200,000 euros or more. And the Diamond manager has 25 personally sponsored managers, and if he has them in one region, in one country, he will get additional 3% gem bonus on all his manager businesses, and that's why his income is much higher with 350,000 per year and above. It depends how many people are in his first, second, or third generation. Chairman's bonus is a unique selling incentive we have in our Forever marketing plan. A share of the profit we will get with the chairman's bonus when we qualify as a chairman's bonus manager. And there we have also different levels, like level 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 starts with like $3,500, and level 3 can end up over $1 million with one annual chairman's bonus check. It depends how many qualifiers you have in your team. So again, you multiply yourself and your working hours into your leaders, and year by year it's growing. So you can grow from level 1 into level 2 into level 3, and your German bonus can grow every single year. Here are some examples for German bonus level 1, 2, and 3. There are some other extras in the Forever marketing plan, like global travel incentives to 2 exciting destinations a year, and nothing but the best luxury hotels, and between $500 to $3,000 spending money, additional activity money on a Forever Visa card. So while you travel, everything is paid, and extra money cash for your needs in that country where you travel. And so it's all covered for 2 people each year. Another extra is our Forever to Drive car program. And there you can get 400, 600 or 800 euro by month. And you qualify once, you will get this amount for the next 3 years. And then you re-qualify. Additional on your monthly bonus. Why is Forever so successful since 40 years? Because we are the world leader in aloe vera, and our products are superior products. We are in the right marketing place because vitamins and supplements are a very important marketplace. Also skincare, also sports and nutrition, also weight management, and also personal hygiene. Why Forever products? Forever is, as just mentioned, the world's #1 grower and producer of aloe vera-based products with patented stabilization on the process and with superior quality products from safe, natural, and GM-free ingredients. Why Forever products? Forever controls every stage of the farming process. Goats, sheep, and cattle roam the fields to help with wheat, to control and to provide natural fertilizer. We have an advisory board of highly qualified professionals like doctors and scientists, and we have a 30-day money-back guarantee and pure and simple products for everyone, and with all the certifications we would need for very clean, natural plant products like the Islamic seal of approval, the kosher rating, the halal approval, the 30 or in some countries 60-day satisfaction guarantee or money-back guarantee, not tested in animals, and so on. How could start your journey? It could start with your journey pack, the quickest and best way to get your business up and running. So you can make money immediately while you use the products, make your own experience, recommend the products, and retail them. You can become an assistant supervisor with 35% when you start with the starter pack or journey pack, when usually then you are an assistant supervisor because those packs have 2 case credits, plus business literature and everything you need to promote the products. The price of the business pack can vary in each country. Will it work for me? Yes, it will work for you if you take it seriously. In any new venture, time and effort are required. If you're coachable and you attend all the relevant trainings, yes, it will work for you. If you're committed with your time and the time which is required to become successful, yes, then it will work for you. If you're self-motivated and if you're willing to work closely with the person who introduced you into this business, yes, then it will work for you. If you're willing to think big, if you're willing to dream big and set goals for yourself and your family, yes, then it will work for you. If you commit to having regular customers, building your team, and developing always the next 5 key people, yes, then it will work for you. If you're prepared to tell everyone what you're doing, and if you have a great attitude, then it will work for you. From what you have seen so far, there are 3 options which can lead to a decision. Maybe that means maybe you can have some more questions and you need your questions answered. Please talk to the person who has sent you this video link. Or no, then a no to the business can always be a yes to the product. Maybe you want to do something for the health and well-being of you and your family and the people and your loved ones. Then start using the product and recommend the experience you made with them. Or you said, yes, I immediately know that is for me, then get registered and book a planning meeting with the person who is sending you this link. So this person will become your sponsor and mentoring your business. Rex Monk, our founder and CEO, he once said, create your masterpiece and create greatness, your own greatness. If you decided for yes and you want to get registered and book your first planning meeting with the person who was introducing you to this business, then you have something in your hand here where you can create your masterpiece and your greatness in this business opportunity. Thank you very much. Wish you all the success.